Hello, my name is Marti Singh Brar, and now I'm present the assessment third of ICT 500. The topic is explore emerging technologies in the field of AI and their potential impact on the healthcare industry. In the introduction of this assessment, the emerging technologies include computer vision, robotics, machine learning, natural language processing, and many other advanced AI control, privacy, and security. Continuous development of these AI technologies has potential benefits and challenges in different industries, including the healthcare sector. Therefore, this report will describe the overview of emerging technologies, especially in the field of AI. Critical discussion will help to evaluate the value of legal and ethical implications of the system concerning data protection, transparency, accountability, and consent. Furthermore, this research will analyze potential risk and benefits of AI system in healthcare in order to maintain data privacy, cyber threats, potential biases, and data security concerns. In this slide, the continuous development of emerging AI technologies has potential benefits and challenges in different industries, including the healthcare sector. Example from the Australian healthcare sector may be helpful to address potential gaps regarding security regulations based on AI that need to be addressed. Furthermore, this study will identify opportunities and address issues and recommend some strategies for healthcare organization through risk assessment, privacy design, cybersecurity measure, and ethical consideration. Uh, in the literature review, design, AI system, and emerging technologies have multiple roles in a healthcare sector to maintain education, pharmacy activity, hospital management practices, research and laboratory activities, and outpatient clinics. IoT-based monitoring devices and robotics are used for checking patients' vital to improve decision of medical professional regarding the treatment. Privacy and security of healthcare records are maintained under the privacy law of Australia that provides detailed guidelines for patient information collection, use, storing, and sharing. Documentation such as record keeping and share patients' records have fallen under governmental regulations and legislation of Australia to maintain the ethical integrity and legal perspective. The Privacy Act 1988 in Australia reflects data privacy and confidentiality regulations under the draft data code. Therefore, the data protection and storing is necessary along with the security assurance needs to be incorporated for managing legal perspective for patient safety, well-being, the ethical concern. In the analysis, AI helps monitor diagnosis and record patient data applying robotics, automation, ML, LOT, and many other AI tools to boost caregiving services and research in biomedical emerging. AI is used to detect medical images from X-rays and other reports for efficient assessment and evaluation by reducing human error. On the other hand, automation, IoT, and integrated AI has the power to improve healthcare efficiency by managing supply chain and logistics for availability of medical equipment and pharmacy equipment and medicines to stabilize effective healthcare services. However, it is necessary to ensure proper monitoring and security management practices to reduce privacy and security risk due to hacking and data breaches. Mm, Dash equation. The ethical implications of AI-based data storing in a healthcare segments, legislation and regulations guide the healthcare sector regarding the data safety, security, and confidential management. However, the lack of proper policies and regulations to maintain safety practices of digital health records increase data breaching and hacking issues. Risk assessment through proper monitoring helps identify the reason for security breaches and the data leakage. Hence, a proper monitoring process and the system needs to be adopted in healthcare organizations to assess risk and make proper remedies. Cybersecurity measure in healthcare practices may protect electronic data from unwanted access or hacking through proper IT security. Government guidelines, policies, and regulations needs to be incorporated with respect to use integrated AI tools and assure security from the internal and external risk. Furthermore, healthcare organization in Australia needs to be follow as ISO 27799 standard to improve healthcare data safety and security using IT security management system. In the conclusion of the assessment, uh, MLR optics and many other in the healthcare sector investigate legal and ethical implications, privacy and security risk and strategic recommendation. Overall, study discuss all objectives to meet objectively by using example from Australian healthcare organization to evaluate benefits of AI and privacy and security risk that increase ethical and legal conflict between stakeholders. Opportunities and benefits of AI in the healthcare sector include accurate and unbiased decision, proper monitoring, privacy and confidentiality management, data protection, proper documentation, ethical concern, proper diagnosis, and real-time caregiving practices. However, limitation of integrated AI include the risk of data hacking and breaching as well as ethical conflict due to avoiding data safety guidelines of the government. Furthermore, critical discussion helps evacuate remedies including policies modification, cybersecurity, major application, antivirus software, cloud security, and encrypted security for hardware and network. Similarly, comparative discussion with any organization that successfully adopts integrated AI used AI using encrypted cloud safety process may upgrade the quality of future research. All these are the references. Thank you.